Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Opensea on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's get started. In order to download Opensea on your iPhone, tap Open your App Store. But remember to be connected to an internet, whether it is your Wi-Fi or cellular data. Go and tap on the search button at the top of the screen and type in Opensea into the search box. Once you make a search, you should see an application displayed at the very top of the screen. This one's the app that we are looking for. Tap the Get button in order to begin your downloading process. Opensea is an American online non-fungible token marketplace headquartered in New York City. Once the application gets downloaded on your iPhone, tap on the Open button to launch the app opened. And that is how you can easily download Opensea, also known as the largest NFT marketplace on your iPhone. Tap on Allow button to enable notifications and get started with Opensea. That is how you can easily download the app without any kind of a delay. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.